recently purchased a Redfish IDVM 510 digital multimeter. It's a data logger. Comes with an application that runs on iOS and Android that basically mirrors whatever's on the screen. But this is about the case. The stock Redfish case that they sell is a soft neoprene case, and the darn things run anywhere from I saw them running anywhere from $49 to $90, which I just don't have that kind of money to spend on a case. So I got to looking around and I found this one on Amazon for 15 bucks. It's a Rlsoco, Rlsoco, and it's a hard case. It's a hard case. It's got this nylon weave over the top of the zipper to keep out debris, dirt and debris. It's got a nice handle on it with the soft rubber grip, and the strap on there is like that ballistic nylon. It's all ballistic nylon covered, and inside it came with this knockout that can be configured any number of ways. You can basically make it to fit anything, and I haven't done all the fine tuning on it yet, but it fits beautifully with room to spare to reach in and grab it like this right now with just this outer ring in here, left in here. I'll probably take a little epoxy and put in here to attach the foam to the outer case here. And by the way, this isn't that cheap foam that flakes apart. This is really nice foam in here that you can grab at it and it doesn't come apart. So I'll probably attach that to the outer rim of the case here so it stays put. But as it is right now, it fits in there real nice, and that's even with the magnetic strap on here. In fact, you can even wrap the leads, leave the leads on here and wrap them around it and stick it in there, and there's still plenty of room for it. But I'd rather not torque the leads around every time like that, so I just pop them off. It's got this area here, you can store your temperature probe and your alligator clips and leads and everything, and spare batteries and stuff in there. It's got a double zipper configuration on it. The zipper again seems to be a really nice heavy duty zipper on here. It feels that way at this point anyway. For 15 bucks, hey, if it only lasts me a couple of years and I buy another one, I'm still money ahead. So that's a Rlsoco, Rlsoco. I got this one off Amazon for 15 bucks. They sell two of them, one for multimeters and one for an anemometer. They're the same part number. They're the identical case. The one for the multimeter they want like 18 bucks, 19 bucks, and the one that they're selling for an anemometer, the only difference is how you configure the knockout. Anyway, the one for the anemometer is like 5 bucks cheaper. So if you go on there, look for this brand hard case that they sell for an anemometer, and look close. It's the same. The two cases are the same, and save yourself a few bucks. So that's about all I got to say here, except that Redfish multimeter is something else. That thing, I'll tell you, for 150 bucks, it is feature packed, and I've got a video where I took a look inside of it. It's well made. It's got the safety features that you'd want, inside the isolation and everything. So check out that Redfish check out that redfish meter too if you're in the market for a multimeter. It's a good one, and the application works really good. Anyway, that's about it. Save yourself some money, and don't spend an arm and a leg on a case for your multimeter when you can spend $15 and protect your investment. That's it. Thanks for watching.